everyone, and I am super excited to have this beautiful work session today at Fanny's Mind Training Mind Frame Hub at Motor City. So Fanny, what are we going to do today?
So today, actually, hello everybody. Today we are going to try to reconnect a little bit with ourselves with this workshop that we have called From City Stress to Mindfulness. That's really the connection between our busy life and the actual need for nature and nurture also a lot. So that's what we're going to touch on today.
I think it is so important to just sit with a safe space and community and to share all this knowledge and wealth, and then after leaving the workshop you feel that you have recharged your batteries.
Yeah, because you need this moment of pause to actually assess the situation. We're so caught up in our lives that we just tend to forget that we are also human and we need to take a break as well.
Absolutely, and it's so important that we give ourselves some time, some space, and a time to reflect and to make some nice connections. And also, Fanny's here. Fanny, how can everyone reach you if they need this enlightenment?
Well, enlightenment might be a big word for a lot of people, but at least, like I said, I like to plant seeds, quite literally actually. But it's all about just growing, introspecting, try to understand, rediscover ourselves, giving new perspective. So yeah, if all of this talk to you, you can find me on Instagram at the Soulful Therapist, or through Mindframe Training Institute, where we have the office here.
Thank you so much, everyone.
If you have a garden, just go barefoot in your garden, feel the ground. So maybe you are stuck in traffic and you just want silence. So you don't have music, you don't have a podcast on, maybe it's just your 5 minutes that you have just for yourself, and unfortunately it's stuck in traffic, but for you and your career. So, however, the perception you have of the situation can change. And this is probably like one of the biggest insights that you can get for yourself when you realize that, yes, sometimes I think like, yeah, this situation, you could think of your own life stresses right here, right now. It's happening right now. Even if you're here, there is also like millions of things that are happening for you. So just observe, just stay quiet and think of your body. What do you feel in your body? And that's it. Because the more you focus, let's say even on your breathing, like don't change anything, just stay like this, and you feel it. To give you an example, people that are usually stressed or anxious, they don't breathe deeply. Those few people, I'm sure you have these people coming up in your mind like, ah yeah, this is really, when I'm with this person, like it feels good. So, brain, hopefully. So, that one, however, will work differently depending on genetics, depending on your environment, your upbringing, etc., etc. Or after 8 p.m., I don't look at my phone anymore. Because then, again, you have distraction, you're close to bedtime, and it's just making it worse. It's not always the easiest, but it's definitely possible. At least try to include one practice per week. Slow food practice. We're always on the go. We eat the sandwich in the car while we have to go and pick up the kids and this and that. No. Even to go a little bit deeper and one step again. Those life stresses, could they be less stressing if you set better boundaries for yourself? It's a gaff tree. So those are like those...
National tree, International Day.
Yes, actually, it's a gaff tree, like it's National Day, it's not. With even capital letters, colors here, just out of your imagination. It's not actually there in the room, but it's with you. And even this evening, if you think of this halo, you will see the halo with H in red, all capital letter, and it will stick with you. So imagine this is just a word. I will also stay there with you. And really, it's just about observing what's going on in your body. So to be more, let's say, not distracted by the others, we can all close our eyes and you just observe what's going on. You can put your 2 feet on the ground. The main teaching is patience. Everything in nature takes time.